Did you know that Domino's Pizza, one of the biggest names in the fast food industry, once started as a tiny pizza store bought for just $500? Yes, that's right. The company that now boasts over 17,000 stores worldwide had a humble beginning. In the early 1960s, two brothers, Tom and James Monahan, decided to buy a small pizza store named Dominic's in Ypsilanti, Michigan. The initial days were tough and filled with challenges. James traded his half of the business to Tom for a used Volkswagen Beetle. Little did he know that this seemingly insignificant pizza store would turn into a global pizza empire. After purchasing his brother's share, Tom renamed the business to Domino's Pizza in 1965. The three dots on the logo symbolized the three existing stores at that time, and Tom planned to add a dot for every new store. However, the rapid expansion of Domino's made this plan impractical. By 1978, Domino's had expanded to 200 stores. Tom Monahan focused on delivering hot, fresh pizza to customers as quickly as possible. This focus on delivery led to the creation of the 30 minutes or less guarantee in the 1980s, which promised customers their pizza within half an hour or they'd receive it for free. However, this guarantee was not without its controversies. The rush to deliver pizzas within the set time limit led to a series of accidents, resulting in lawsuits and negative publicity. The company had to drop the guarantee in 1993, but by then, Domino's had established itself as a major player in the pizza delivery industry. In 1998, after 38 years of tireless work, Tom Monahan decided to retire and sold 93% of the company to Bain Capital for a whopping $1 billion. Under new management, Domino's continued to innovate and expand, introducing online and mobile ordering, and even experimenting with drone delivery. Fast forward to today, Domino's Pizza operates in more than 85 countries, serving millions of customers every day. From a small pizza store in Michigan to a global pizza giant, the journey of Domino's is an inspiring tale of entrepreneurial spirit, innovation, and relentless pursuit of quality. To summarize, Domino's Pizza started as a tiny pizza store in Michigan, bought by the Monahan brothers for $500. Overcoming initial challenges, Tom Monahan took over the business, renamed it to Domino's Pizza, and started rapid expansion. The company's 30 minutes or less guarantee, despite its controversies, helped Domino's establish itself in the pizza delivery industry. After Tom Monahan's retirement, Domino's continued to innovate and expand under new management, evolving into a global pizza giant it is today. The story of Domino's Pizza is a testament to the power of determination, innovation, and a deep understanding of customer needs. It's a story that continues to inspire entrepreneurs and businesses around the world. The next time you enjoy a slice of Domino's Pizza, remember the journey it has taken to get to your plate.